When it comes to investing, most people overcomplicate it. They think they need a finance degree or some insider knowledge to make money. But the truth is, investing is way simpler than people make it out to be. The real challenge isn't finding the perfect investment. It's having the discipline to start, stay consistent, and make smart decisions over time. Now, before we get into specific investments, let's get one thing straight. Investing is not gambling. A lot of beginners make the mistake of throwing their money into something without understanding it, hoping for a quick win. That's not investing. That's just wishful thinking. Investing is about making informed decisions, thinking long-term, and using strategies that have been proven to work. All right, let's break this down into smart investments that beginners can start with right now. First, the simplest and safest investment you can make is in yourself. Yeah, I know, it sounds cliché, but hear me out. If you don't understand money, how can you expect to grow it? Investing in books, courses, and learning from people who are already successful will pay off way more than jumping straight into the stock market without a clue. So, before putting your money anywhere else, put some of it into knowledge. Learn about personal finance, investing strategies, and how money really works. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Now, let's talk about actual investments. One of the best places to start is index funds. If you don't want to spend hours researching individual stocks, index funds are your best friend. They're basically a collection of stocks that track a particular market, like the S&P 500. The reason they're great for beginners is that they're low-cost, diversified, and historically, they've provided solid returns over time. Instead of trying to pick individual stocks and hoping they go up, you're investing in a whole basket of stocks, reducing your risk. Another smart investment for beginners is ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. They're similar to index funds but can be bought and sold like stocks throughout the day. They offer diversification, low fees, and flexibility, making them perfect if you want to start with a smaller amount of money. Now, let's talk about something that's often overlooked: high-yield savings accounts and bonds. These aren't flashy, and they won't make you rich overnight, but they provide a safe place to store your money while earning interest. If you're just starting out and don't have an emergency fund yet, this is where you should put your first few $1,000s. Having cash ready for unexpected expenses keeps you from pulling out investments when the market drops. Next up, real estate investing. Now, before you roll your eyes and say, "I can't afford real estate," let me explain. You don't have to buy an entire property to invest in real estate. There are things like REITs, or real estate investment trusts, which allow you to invest in real estate without owning property. These are great for beginners who want exposure to real estate without the headaches of managing tenants or fixing broken toilets. Another modern way to invest in real estate is through fractional real estate platforms, where you can own small portions of rental properties and earn passive income. This is a game changer because it allows you to invest in real estate with just a few $100s instead of hundreds of thousands. Now, let's talk about stocks. Everyone loves the idea of buying a stock and watching it skyrocket. But let me tell you, individual stock picking is risky, especially if you don't know what you're doing. If you're going to buy individual stocks, only invest money you're willing to lose and focus on companies that have strong financials and long-term growth potential. And for the love of everything, don't just buy stocks based on hype or social media trends. That's the easiest way to lose money. Next, let's talk about cryptocurrency. Crypto is one of the most exciting and volatile investments out there. Can you make a lot of money? Absolutely. Can you lose a lot of money? Just as easily. If you're a beginner, The best way to invest in crypto is to start small. Stick to well-established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and avoid jumping into random new coins just because they're trending. Crypto should be a small part of your overall portfolio, not your entire investment strategy. Now, there's one investment that beats everything else. It's not stocks. It's not real estate. It's starting your own business or side hustle. The return on investment from building your own income streams can be way higher than anything else. Whether it's freelancing, starting an online store, or building a personal brand, investing in your own ability to make money gives you control and freedom that no other investment can match. And finally, let's talk about time. The most powerful investment strategy isn't about what you buy. It's about how long you stay invested. The reason most people fail at investing is because they panic when the market drops and sell at a loss. The people who win, they stay patient. They understand that investing is a long-term game. The earlier you start, the bigger your returns will be because of compound interest. So if you're a beginner, start today. It doesn't matter if you only have $10, $100, or $1,000 to invest. What matters is building the habit of investing regularly. Set up automatic contributions, keep learning, and stay patient. Because the truth is, the people who succeed in investing aren't the smartest or the luckiest. They're the ones who stay in the game the longest.